Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cup of Chic, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashleigh and I post all things Louis Vuitton 2 to 3 times a week. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Today I'm doing an unboxing, but something a little bit different. So if you want to see the bag that I'm unboxing, then just keep watching. Like I said, this is a little bit of a different unboxing because this bag I didn't purchase myself. Like, I didn't go to the store and get it. It was actually a gift from a family member who got this bag but just never wore it and thought that I might get some use out of it, which I'm super excited about. It's a bag that I love. I love them in all their different sizes. So I don't necessarily have like the bag or the box, but I do have the dust bag and like the card inside and everything. And like I said, it's just a family member, so it's not like I bought it off the internet or anything like that. But it is older, so it does like throw back to the old brown dust bags. But this is the dust bag. This is all I have, but we'll open it up nevertheless. And the bag that I'm unboxing is the Louis Vuitton, I believe it's like the Capucines? I feel like I'm butchering this. It's so bad. I have to Google it. Be right back. The Louis Vuitton Capucines. This one is in the MM. Like I said, it's never been worn or anything like that. I don't even know if you can get the same color combination anymore. But it is just in the black leather. Oh my god, it smells so good because it's just sat in this dust bag for years. And then inside is actually the like ballerina pink. This is probably one of the first bags that came out with the ballerina pink. Back here does have like the card, which is why I know that it's the MM. Try and see if I can find a link to this exact color if they still have it. But I can't believe I have this bag. I love it. Personally, if I were to buy one, I wouldn't get it in the MM. I would have gotten it in the BB. And if I get another one day, that's what I would get. But I mean, when a family member offers you this bag, you don't say no. So it just has, so this is what it looks like. It has the silver hardware. I personally thought it was going to be a crossbody. Like, I thought there was going to be like a strap somewhere. There's not. So that's interesting. But I'm super excited to wear it. It is super beautiful. Like, I love that the kind of flap here you can put outside like this. So it looks super understated and subtle, or you can tuck it in. And then for the inside, there's a clip here so that it stays closed, which is super nice. And then it has two compartments, like two sides, this middle compartment, and then like a pocket back here. So as for Louis Vuitton bags, I mean, what I have in my collection, this one is super like organized and has lots of compartments, where most of mine just have like one pocket. So I'm super excited to see what I can fit in this. It's a good size for like work or anything. To be honest, I could probably compare this size bag to my Neverfull MM. So leave a comment down below if you guys would like me to do that, or if you want me to compare this bag to another bag that I have in my collection. But the MM, they're both MM, so it'd probably be a good comparison. So leave a comment down below, let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, this is the newest bag in the collection. I'm super excited. I'll stop grazing the bag. In my next video, make sure you guys are subscribed and have the bell notification turned on, because my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style this bag. So I'm going to put together some outfits that I'm going to be wearing with this bag and share them with you. So if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed and have that bell notification turned on so you don't miss when that video goes live. Yeah, I think that's it for this unboxing. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you have any questions about this bag or anything like that, make sure to comment them down below. I love chatting with you guys down there. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!